Hi everyone. Welcome to English Story Nook. I'm Kadir, and today we're going to talk about an effective way to improve your English speaking skills using graded readers and stories. This method has been incredibly effective for me, and I believe it can help you too. So, let's dive right in. Section 1: Importance of Speaking Skills. Improving your English speaking skills is crucial for several reasons. Effective communication is essential in our daily lives, whether for social interactions, professional settings, or traveling. Being able to express yourself clearly and confidently can open up numerous opportunities, both personally and professionally. Common challenges learners face include a limited vocabulary and the fear of speaking. Many people feel nervous or anxious about making mistakes, which can hinder their progress. It's important to remember that everyone makes mistakes when learning a new language, and it's part of the process. English is a global language, and having strong speaking skills can significantly enhance your ability to connect with people from different cultures. Whether you're looking to advance your career, travel the world, or simply engage in more meaningful conversations, improving your English speaking skills is a worthwhile investment. Being able to converse fluently in English can lead to better job prospects, as many multinational companies require English proficiency. Furthermore, it allows you to build relationships with people from various backgrounds, enriching your personal life and broadening your perspectives. Section 2: What are graded readers? Graded readers are books specifically designed for language learners. They are tailored to different proficiency levels, from beginners to advanced learners. These books simplify the language while still telling engaging and interesting stories. The purpose of graded readers is to provide learners with reading material that matches their current skills. This way, you can gradually build your vocabulary and comprehension without feeling overwhelmed by complex texts. Graded readers cover a wide range of genres and topics, making it easy to find something that interests you. Whether you enjoy mysteries, romance, science fiction, or nonfiction, there's a graded reader out there for you. They are an excellent tool for making the learning process enjoyable and less intimidating. These books often come with glossaries and comprehension questions, which further aid in understanding and retaining new information. Additionally, many graded readers are accompanied by audio versions, allowing you to listen and read simultaneously, which is beneficial for improving listening skills and pronunciation. Section 3: Benefits of using graded readers. Using graded readers has numerous benefits. One of the key advantages is that they introduce new words in context, making them easier to remember. When you see a word used in a sentence or story, it's much easier to understand its meaning and how to use it correctly. This contextual learning is much more effective than rote memorization. Another benefit is that the stories keep you engaged. Learning through stories is more enjoyable than rote memorization or repetitive exercises. This engagement helps with the retention of new words and phrases, as your brain is more likely to remember information when it's associated with an interesting narrative. Additionally, stories can evoke emotions and personal connections, which further aids memory retention. Graded readers also help with pronunciation, especially if you listen to the audio versions while reading. This dual approach of reading and listening reinforces the correct pronunciation of words and phrases. Listening to native speakers can help you grasp the nuances of intonation, rhythm, and stress in spoken English, making your speech sound more natural. Moreover, graded readers can help you understand different accents and dialects, broadening your listening skills and making you more adaptable in various English-speaking environments. Section 4: Practical Tips for Using Graded Readers. To get the most out of graded readers, here are some practical tips. Start simple. Begin with simpler texts that match your current proficiency level. As you become more comfortable, gradually move to more complex ones. Don't rush the process. Give yourself time to fully understand and enjoy each level before moving on. Listen and read. Try to find graded readers that come with audio versions. Listen to the audio while reading to enhance your pronunciation and understanding of the rhythm and intonation of the language. This will help you become more familiar with natural speech patterns. Daily practice. Make it a habit to read a little every day. Consistency is key to making progress. Even if it's just a few pages, daily practice can make a significant difference. Set aside a specific time each day for reading to build a routine. Engage with the story. As you read, try to immerse yourself in the story. Think about the characters, plot, and settings. This engagement will make the learning process more enjoyable and effective. Try to visualize the scenes and put yourself in the shoes of the characters. Keep a vocabulary journal. Write down new words and phrases you come across in your graded readers. Review them regularly and try to use them in your own sentences. This active usage will help solidify your understanding and recall of new vocabulary. Discuss what you read. If possible, discuss the stories you read with friends, language partners, or teachers. Talking about the content helps reinforce what you've learned and improves your speaking skills. You can also join online forums or book clubs dedicated to language learners. Relate to real-life experiences. Try to connect the stories and vocabulary to your own experiences. Relating new words to personal memories or situations can enhance retention and make learning more meaningful. Use technology. There are many apps and websites dedicated to graded readers. Some even offer interactive features like quizzes and flashcards to test your comprehension and retention. Take advantage of these resources to supplement your learning. Read aloud. Practice reading graded readers aloud. This will improve your speaking skills, fluency, and confidence. It will also help you get used to hearing yourself speak English, which can reduce anxiety when speaking with others. Set goals. Set specific, achievable goals for your reading. For example, aim to finish one graded reader per week. Setting goals can keep you motivated and give you a sense of accomplishment as you progress. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful for improving your English speaking skills. Graded readers can be a fantastic tool in your language learning journey, offering both enjoyment and educational value. Remember to stay consistent and make reading a part of your daily routine. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who might find it useful. Happy learning, and see you next time.